how to use Lambda functions in Python, write powerful one-liner functions that save you time and make your code cleaner. Let's jump right in. Let's kick things off with Lambda functions. These are quick one-line functions you don't even have to name. They're perfect for those tiny jobs you only need once. First up, let's see how to make a lambda that squares a number. Here, we're creating a variable called square and setting it to a lambda function that multiplies any number by itself. Now, let's print out the square of 5 using our new lambda. Let's check the output. Next, let's try a lambda that takes 2 numbers instead of 1. We're making a variable called add that uses a lambda to add 2 numbers together. Let's print the sum of 3 and 4 using our add lambda. Here's what we get. Now let's see how lambdas work inside other functions like map. We've got a list of numbers from 1 to 5 saved in a variable called numbers. Here, we're using map with a lambda to square every number in the list. The result gets turned into a new list called squared.numbers. Let's print out all those squared numbers and see what we get. Lambdas are also super handy with the filter function. Let's check that out next. We're using filter with a lambda to grab only the even numbers from our list. The result goes into even numbers. Let's print those even numbers and see which ones made the cut. Finally, let's use a lambda to sort a list of students by their scores. Here's a list of students, each with a name and a score. We're sorting the students by their score using a lambda to tell Python to look at the second item in each tuple. Let's print out the sorted list and see who scored the highest. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.